Hi, hello friends. I am Mehtre sir from Jilla Parishad Primary School, Khadkawadi. Today I am going to tell very interesting story between two best friends. We say that the friend in need is friend indeed. So listen carefully. The story name is Androcles and the Lion. Long, long ago, there lived a kind, gentle, and courteous means polite man called Androcles. Androcles is the kind, gentle, and polite man, but his master was very cruel man. In those days, kings, nobles, and other wealthy men used poor peoples as their slaves. Androcles was a slave or a working man. They were bound by a law to obey their master or boss. Androcles did not like his heartless or cruel master. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. He looking for opportunity to escape from the clutches or tight holding of his cruel master. One day he had run away and he was not get easily afraid or coward. He took shelter in a forest. He was not afraid of wild animals or not mind that he had no roof over his head, but he was happy that he was free from his master as a bird to go wherever he wished. One day he was wandering in forest. At that time suddenly came face to face with a lion. The first reaction of Androcles was to turn and flee, means run away or escape from the lion. But lion had not moved on seeing him. He thought that lion is in a trouble. He paused and moved toward the lion with very cautious or carefully. Lion's eyes seemed to say that, "Please help me," with moaned and whimpered means with painful sound. Androcles saw that lion's paw was wounded, sore, and swollen, so that lion was distressed or it's in a trouble. He was afraid that the lion would attack him if he touched its swollen paw. Lion seemed to understand that Androcles' intention or purpose is a very good. So Androcles skillfully pulled out the thorn quickly and dressed the injured paw. And he take care of lion with living together in forest. They became best friends. One day, Androcles' master sent his soldiers in forest to catch the Androcles and bring him to him. They searched Androcles here and there. Finally, Androcles and the lion fell into the hand of soldiers. Soldiers took them back to the city. Androcles was put in chains in a prison and lion was caged. After some days, Androcles brought into the arena, means in a place like sports ground. He was get very weak and sad. He thought that it was the last day of his life. At the opposite side, a gate was raised and furious, means a dangerous animal, lion was released to eat the Androcles. But that furious lion was Andacol's friend. They recognized each other. Both are meet each other with joy and happily. Emperor also shocked with this scene and asked, "What is the secret of this?" Then Andacol told the story. That time he means emperor said that leave the Andacols free and asked, "What do you want in a rewards?" That time Andacols replied that he did not want anything for himself but wanted the lion to be set free too. Then two friends went back and lived a free life. So we say that friend in need is friend indeed. Thank you.